Okay, so you told me a center is 2, 2. And so I just find what's in the exact center, same distance from every side. So if my center is 2, 2, how do I plug that into my equation?
X minus 2 minus 2 squared x squared plus y minus 2.
Yeah, so it's always minus. It's always opposite. So since it's positive, it's minus. Okay, and someone else who hasn't said anything yet. What's my radius here?
4.
4. And so then what's 4 squared? 16. See how easy it is?
Easy right now.
This is the easiest lesson of the unit. That's why we left it last, because it's the last one you learn before the test. Okay, how about this one? If my center is 0, 0, what's my equation going to be?
That's the origin. X minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared. Radius is 1/3 squared.
Yeah. Okay, so remember, if you see the 0, 0, you can shortcut and not write this out and just switch it to x squared, y squared. Because if our center is 0, 0, it's just going to simplify that. Equals 1/9. And that's our answer. All right. Real quickly, write the equation of number 4 on your paper. And when you get it, turn around, look at people in your group, see if anyone needs your help explaining it, or give them the time to figure it out.
This is easy. And then we'll forget it all.
Alright, so leaders, check in with your group. Help anyone who doesn't have this written down yet. I heard someone in the front say they're lost. Can you guys make sure you help whoever didn't get it?
Alright, so hey, I'm
you need help?
Is the quiz on
Alright, once you've got it, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to wait till I see something from everyone, so... Okay, so we have one person working here.
Wait, what is thumbs up? I don't know.
Jacob, did you check in with your whole group? Someone doesn't have a thumbs up right now. Alright, I didn't see anyone in the back. Guys, show me how you're doing. Thumbs up. Medium. Down. How about you, Luis? You so still working on it, or questions? Working on it? How about you, John? Did you get it? And number 4? Alright, I'm going to draw on desk number to tell me what you got. I had your desk 15.
Oh, that's me.
Alright, Kyle, what'd you get?
X plus 3 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals 64.
Alright, completely correct. We just plug them in. Make sure to change the sign. Do that. Questions over that before we move on? No, so the equation we leave in standard form. At least now. When you get into other levels of math, you'll probably do more stuff with it. Okay, so now we have... Okay. Are y'all with me still?
Yes.
Okay, what changed in problems 5 and 6?
You
You're going to point on the circle.
put it into
Point on the circle.
No, there's no radius.
There's no radius. And we have a point in the circle that's revealed right. So we have to find the radius. So how do we find the radius?
Plug it into the calculator thing, right?
What calculator thing?
The graph. Plug it into the graph, right?
You could if you know how to. I'm not going to teach you guys how to do that because no, it's not really the easiest way. There's a really fast way we can do it.
There's at 0, and the y is like the 3 and on the circle, and it's 3 away. just use the graph on the back of the whiteboard.
We can use the graph. What do you say, Ju? To what? Plug it. Yeah. Okay. So we just talked about 3 different ways to do it. And any side conversations, stop. Okay, so Gio said, well, we can write the equation of x squared plus y squared, because I know that's 0, 0, equals radius squared. And then I could try plugging this in and see what I can solve for r. So that's one way to do it. Or we just find the distance between the 2 points. And so you can do that plotting them using the graph with Pythagorean theorem. That goes really fast. We can do it plugging it into the distance formula of 4 minus 0 squared plus negative 3 minus 0 squared. This is really easy, so it becomes 4 squared, negative 3 squared. Is that one of your Pythagorean triples? Yeah, the answer is 5. So then that gives me 25 equals radius squared. And so the radius equals 5.
Wait, 25.
And then, but my equation, I want the radius squared anyway, so my answer is just x squared plus y squared equals 25. Yeah, I mean, it's already squared here, which is what I plug in, or I can take the square root of it and then square it again if I want to do those steps. All right, next one. Again, we're going to take a minute or two, see if you can solve that one with your groups. How many of you got the final answer? What did you get?
5.
So 25, or 5 was the radius, 25 was the thing. So this should have been the distance formula when you plugged it in. It came out to radius equals square root of 25, which is 5. And so then what is our equation?
4 negative 4.
Oh yeah. Squared plus 1 minus 5 squared.
All right. Once you have that, flip over. If you want me to explain it again, give me like a thumbs down signal. Alright, so last page of the packet is now, they give us the equation. We're going to find the center and the radius and then graph it. So this one, x squared plus y squared, what is my center going to be? Yeah. What's my radius going to be? Yeah. And so radius is just square root of 225. I shouldn't hear side conversations. And I should see everyone facing up here. Okay, the way I graph circles is I plot the center and then I just count the radius out along the axis in each direction. And so I'm coming all the way out to 15. And then I just freehand draw it. So try to get it rounded like a circle. It does not have to be exact for the purposes of this. No, I'm doing it rounded. I'm trying to get a circle. It's just not going to be perfect. So just try to get it to curve out well, but it doesn't have to be perfect as long as you get it the right place, right direction. All right, I'm going to draw a number for what is our center of the next one. I got desk 19. Who's in 19?
Alright, so send me 3.
Yeah. So center is 3, negative 2.
It's opposite, right?
Just the opposite. So let's go ahead and plot that 3, negative 2. And I'm going to draw again for what's our radius.
4.
All right, desk 12 is Luis. What's our radius here? 4. We got it. And so is this graph counting by 1s or 2s? 1. So we're just going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4 in each direction. And then make it into a circle. What's wrong? Did I draw it wrong? Oh, 9? Okay. 9, we've got to have some sort of challenge question. So, it says prove or disprove this. Prove or disprove this statement. So that means it's a true or false. That this point lies on this circle. Okay? So, what do you think we need to do for that?
Plot the center and then find the radius.
Whoa, what is the radius?
3 root 2?
Yes, you have
Okay, so if we plot the center, so negative 4, negative 1. You said that. Now, 3 root 2, though, that's going to be a fraction, so that's not going to be something we can tell by plotting exactly. If it gave us a whole number, we probably could, but that's going to be part of the curve in between here. So how can I find out if this is the radius? It has to be the exact distance between this center and every single point of the circle, right? Because by definition, that's what radius is. And so what could I do with these 2 points to see if the distance is that? Plug it into distance formula, okay? So all I have to do, it's easier than it looks, is plug it into distance formula. And so negative 4 minus negative 1. Negative 1 minus 2. Alright, does square root of 18 equal 3 root 2?
Yeah. No, it just equals to
Alright, so all we're doing if you get this is we're just saying, okay, are those 2 points, does the distance between these 2 points equal the radius? And if it does, then yes, that point's on the circle. So it's true.
Do we have to say why?
You need to understand why, so I would write this down. You don't have to if you think you'll go back over notes and remember it for sure, but I would recommend it.
So we find it like 3.
Alright, so that is